Life is always in conversation with us through our relationships, our reoccurring patterns, our longings, and even in our disappointments. Life is often revealing something about the hidden landscape within us. In my upcoming talk, Sacred Reflection, we will explore what it means to meet life as a loving mirror, not as a place of blame or of judgment of ourselves, but as an invitation into curiosity, compassion, and deeper self-awareness. We'll ask what our experiences may be showing us about what is ready to be healed, to be honored, released, and reclaimed. And we'll remember that the mirror does not only reveal our wounds, it also reveals our wisdom, our courage, our strength, and the divine essence that is within us all, waiting to be more fully lived. I will see you on Sunday, and I look forward to our time together.